This remedy will brighten up your skin. It will work on your pigmentation. It will work on your blemishes or any kind of a spot that are on your skin from the long time. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to share a DIY face mask to brighten up your skin. This is a winter season and we all feel like we want to sit whole day under the sun rays because the sun provides that warmth that we all need in winters. And because of that sun rays, our skin get tanned. The upper layer of our facial skin get severely tanned to protect the inner layers. Definitely spend your whole day under the sun rays, but after suntan, do work on your tanning by applying some kind of a DIY face mask, or you can use any market based product or any market based D10 face packs. There are several things that are flowing in the market. You can choose from them, or you can apply this remedy to get rid of your severe suntan. So let's start with preparing the mask. What you will need: fuller's earth, gram flour, and raw milk. Instead of raw milk, you can use yogurt or you can use curd. Depends on your choice and your preference and what you like. For preparing this face mask, we will need 1 teaspoon of gram flour, half teaspoon of fuller's earth. Fuller's earth is backed up by oil absorbing properties, so that's why we are using only half teaspoon. And add 2 to 3 tablespoon of raw milk. If you don't have raw milk, you can use yogurt. Here I am using 2 to 3 tablespoon of raw milk to make it a nice paste. Paste बन गया. Now wash your face using your regular face wash, और आप स्विच कर सकते हैं किसी DIY फेस वॉश पर भी. फेस को अच्छे से वॉश करिए. पैट ड्राई योर फेस, then apply this mask on your whole face including your neck. Leave this face mask for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off with plain water. We all know fuller's earth is backed up by oil absorbing properties, and it extracts all the dirt that is deposited onto your skin or pores or in the pores. It will extract all the dirt and make your skin look very clean, very radiant. The second thing that we had used in this face mask is gram flour. Gram flour is a good cleanser. Actually, it is a great cleanser for your skin. We are using gram flour from a very long time. We all are aware about the potency of gram flour to clean your skin and give a healthy and radiant glow to your skin. Raw milk is just to combat the dryness of fuller's earth. If you have a dry skin, you can use yogurt or you can use curd. But if you are an oily skin type, then you should go for the raw milk. In just one application, you will see a tremendous change in your facial skin and in your skin tone. This face mask will even out your skin. It will work on your pigmentation, blemishes. अब इस फेस मास्क को कितने दिन यूज़ करना है, कब तक यूज़ करना है, ये बता देते हैं. You can use this face mask once in a week or twice in a week, not more than that. हफ्ते में सिर्फ 2 बार या 1 बार. 2 बार का एप्लीकेशन ज़्यादा अच्छा और इफेक्टिव रिजल्ट देगा. हर 3 डेज़ के गैप में, हफ्ते में 2 बार आप इसे यूज़ कर लेंगे 3 डेज़ के गैप में. And do this remedy for continuously for 1 month. If you don't want to invest your time in preparing DIY natural face mask, you can jump into the market based ready-made face mask. ऐसे बहुत सारे फेस मास्क हैं जो मार्केट में अवेलेबल हैं. You can go and check them according to your skin type, according to your need. One such good option that I'm going to share with you, you can say it can be a substitute for this DIY face mask. That face mask is from Bella Vita Organic D10 Face Pack. You can try this face mask. इसके इंस्ट्रक्शंस आप पढ़ लीजिएगा कि आपको हफ्ते में इसे कितनी बार यूज़ करना है, कितने दिन यूज़ करना है, कितने टाइम तक के लिए यूज़ करना है. ठीक है, लेकिन इसे परचेज़ करने के पहले यू नीड टू डू अ रिसर्च. आपको एक रिसर्च करनी पड़ेगी इस प्रोडक्ट को लेकर के. आप उसके बारे में देख लीजिए, पढ़ लीजिए, समझ लीजिए वेदर इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी गुड फॉर योर स्किन और नॉट. ठीक है, ठीक है. ऐसे बहुत सारे फेस मास्क जो रेडीमेड होते हैं वो अवेलेबल है मार्केट्स में. आप उनके बारे में पढ़िए, जानिए और समझिए कि आपको कौन सा चाहिए होगा या आपकी स्किन के लिए कौन सा सूटेबल हो सकता है और आपकी प्रॉब्लम क्या है. डिफरेंट फेस मास्क जो है वो डिज़ाइन किए गए हैं डिफरेंट प्रॉब्लम्स के लिए. यू कैन चेक देम एंड परचेज देम अकॉर्डिंग टू योर नीड एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू योर चॉइस. सो दिस वॉज अ मार्केट बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट. सो ये थी एक DIY नेचुरल फेस रेमेडी और दूसरा उसका सब्सटीट्यूट मैंने आपको बताया एक मार्केट बेस्ड जो रेडीमेड फेस मास्क होता है. डिपेंड्स ऑन यू वेदर यू वांट टू ट्राई अ DIY फेस मास्क और you want to go for the Bella Vita. So this was it for the video. I hope you liked my presentation, and if you really enjoyed it, then do me a favor, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive the notifications of the upcoming videos. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.